When is her playtime?
Coming up, about 5:30.
No, she's part Poodle and part Shitzu. Okay. That's right, she's a shit poo.
Little ears and that shirt
Be
and
like that.
slippers. A little pink in her ears and her
Yeah.
slippers.
Oh, this is taking forever. Well, anyway, we know what we want. All we have to do is figure out the size, which size we want. You and I can order a deluxe without, what did you say, no mushrooms?
And no anchovies.
No, no anchovies, yeah, I don't like anchovies either,
Okay.
so we can get a deluxe, well, a medium, do you know?
Oh, that'll be more than enough.
And then a medium for you guys?
Yeah, I'd say.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's good.
Okay,
So two
there'll be
mediums.
stuff left
We're
over.
gonna have leftovers, definitely, but
okay. So, half cheese and pepperoni, and deluxe, with no mushrooms. And
whatever he wants.
And then whatever he decides.
The teriyaki, the grilled teriyaki.
Did
I
you
don't know
have
if there's
one
more
extra?
to it.
Chicken or, well, it's
Oh.
any of those things down there, chicken.
You have to select which one of these, or which one?
Yeah.
Oh,
which
okay.
of those, yeah.
The chicken.
Chicken teriyaki?
Come here, Angel. Come here.
Angel. I'll order that for you.
Oh,
And if
did you
anybody
have
else
to
wants it, is
brush
there any
her?
kind of extras on that, it's only one?